Hey everyone, as you can see, I'm in the midst of a basement bathroom renovation, and also you might be able to see that I had definitely a few more weeks left on that project, so it's gonna be a little bit while before I can get that video out. But in the meantime, I still wanted to share some content with you guys, so we're actually going to be driving to my parents' house. They live about 45 minutes away, but this is gonna be a fun one because we're surprising them with a backyard spring update. And it's also gonna be fun because I'm finally getting out of the house. I've been cooped up for quite a while and the weather is nice and crisp, which is my favorite type of weather. And I also wanted to share with you guys that this video is sponsored by Sunjoy. I'll touch on that a little bit later. But anyway, without further ado, let's get going. Hey there, we just arrived and we picked up some new passengers along the way.
And we also have our foreman. Let's get to work.
All right, here we go. We're walking up to the door.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
It's a pleasant surprise.
So we're here to give you guys a little backyard spring update, and so we're gonna do it in the backyard, so no peeking.
What?
All right.
Yeah.
Sounds
Are you
good.
serious?
Yeah.
I'll save
Oh
you
my
some
gosh.
time, and then you were just gonna go do that anyway.
So
Yard work or like?
you'll see in the end. Just close the blinds and we'll get to work.
Sounds good.
So here we're actually going to be building a pergola. It's going to provide some nice privacy from the neighbors, as well as provide some additional shade as we enjoy the upcoming spring here. So let's get all the supplies and start building.
Starting to look like a pergola.
It smells so good.
Oh, frick.
What?
I just stepped in major mud. Does it look good, Foreman? Okay, we got the approval.
It feels pretty solid. It looks so good. This is pretty nice.
It's really a shoulder workout. So now we gotta move this thing. A couple more inches. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not even holding it, babe. Hold on. 1. Okay.
Are you counting or am I?
You count. That actually looks really nice.
Hold it. This is the last screw.
Coming together.
Wow, this looks great. I like the color because it matches the rest of their Ipe wood.
I agree. What am I doing?
Getting on the ladder because you're short.
You're not even that tall.
Short queen.
You're barely 6 feet, Grant.
If you see how far out it is,
No, I don't know how you
feel it
do
with
that.
your hand.
Oh, yeah.
So now let's see if this doesn't.
Here, I'll put my finger there, and then
Yeah,
we can
and
see.
then if you scream, we know it's good.
Do you think we'll have time to go to Costco?
I hope so. I need my cinnamon bread loaves. All right. So now I just need a roof.
I'm pretty excited to put those in.
All right, let's get to it. Like starting here and work backward. It's nice too, because with the pre-drilled holes, it's all aligned for you. You don't have to measure anything.
Yeah. Coming together. Wow, it looks so good. Olive, leave it. She's picking up a rock. I'm so excited to show your parents.
Look at the shadows it's creating. It's beautiful. Well, it's gonna be perfect for bistro lights.
Yeah. It looks really good, Grant.
Last screw. Don't screw it up. No pun intended. Wow. I'm just gonna put them on there and then you can adjust it. What do you think, Olive? Foreman?
These click in nicely.
It's like fully modular. Very nice.
And just like that, pergola's up. If you notice, it came with a handful of planters, so let's get back in the truck and go get some plants.
And if you're enjoying the video, please give it a like as it really helps out the channel, and also subscribe for more DIY content like this.
While we add all those plants, I want to tell you about today's video sponsor, Sunjoy, the largest supplier of outdoor furniture in the US. They sent me this 10x10 pergola, but they have a ton of other products including gazebos, fire pits, and patio furniture. I really like this pergola because of the natural cedar wood, these hanging planters that come with the kit, and the privacy it provides while still looking very modern. So if you want to upgrade your backyard this season, check out Sunjoy products and use code GOLDENKEY for 13% off your order. The link is down in the description. Thanks again to Sunjoy for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the build. Okie dokie. We were debating whether to do it on the perimeter or a zigzag, and I think we decided on perimeter, but we'll see how that looks. It's 48 feet long, and the perimeter is about 40, so there might be some overlapping, but we think we can make up for it with some drooping.
Beautiful.
This is a lot.
You got it.
Oh my God. I think it'll look better at night. It looks a little sad, right?
The plants. Okay.
Watch the plants.
You're the one that's banging them up.
Is that good?
Yeah.
In terms of dangle?
Yeah. At least your bundle's getting easier.
I know. Every time it gets a little smaller.
Wow, it's perfect. Wow.
Do you know who that is?
Owen Wilson.
There you go. Wow.
Hold on.
All right, let's bring in the furniture. We can start with the rug.
Yep. Wow, it looks so cute with the lights.
Ready? Should I spin it?
Yeah, 90 degrees.
Let's go get the couch.
I think you can grab one of the chairs.
Okay. Thank you, Olive, for your offering.
She's put it for the rug to stay down.
Yeah, she's helping us put the corner down.
Strong.
Wow, this is heavy.
Hibachi.
Very cute. Wow, it's patinaed nicely.
Do you want to bring that blue plant in that corner?
Yeah.
It's pretty heavy, so you can carry it.
Which corner? This one?
No, the top left here. Up
This
here.
one?
No, here.
This one?
Up here. Oh wow.
Well, it pulls out the
That
blue
one.
tones in the
Maybe
rug
just
and that blue
these
over
two.
there.
And we'll leave. That's too
No,
many,
it'll be cool.
Why?
That looks really nice. Oh, you're saying this could go here? Whoa!
Yeah, and then just put one chair in that corner, and then that's it.
Wow. This is actually really, this all of a sudden went from 0 to 60.
Yeah,
Like,
it
this
looks
is
good.
really
That's nice.
All right, let's roast some s'mores and show the parents. All right, you guys can come on out.
All right, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This is pretty impressive. You guys built this today?
All in one day.
Oh my gosh. This is like an outdoor room.
Wood is really nice.
This
I know.
is beautiful.
I think it pairs
Plants.
nicely with the house, the color scheme.
It really does. It's like outdoor living space.
Yep. We're gonna do s'mores later.
S'mores later?
This is awesome.
Awesome, yeah.
I love it, love it, love it. You guys did a great job.
It's like
you.
having another room.
We are so happy with how this project turned out, and I'm glad I could gift this to my parents. And it looks really great during the day, but it looks even better at night.
As some of you may know, this is my first project in quite a while, and I was a bit hesitant to commit to building an entire pergola with Grant, but to my surprise, with just a ratchet, a power drill, and a couple of hours, we were able to build this entire structure. We felt this pergola really pulled this outdoor space together, and ending our day surrounded by the bonfire and with a s'more or two was the cherry on top.
Oh!
I like burgers.
That's going in.
Great content.
Bianca!
Oh, I was watching your dad.
Oh, boy.
Jokes aside, this was actually a really fun video to make, and I got to show off all of my new camera gear, so hopefully you guys noticed an increased production value on this video. And it's also a bit of a departure from my standard type of content, which is very much how-to and step-by-step based. This one has a little bit more personality, so if you've made it this far in the video, I think you're probably a true OG fan, so if you could leave me some feedback down in the comments of what your thoughts are on the video, I'd really appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching, and happy building. See you next time.
Test, okay.
Test.
It's recording.